Welcome to Digital Wisdom. This is Bobit Thomas. Today I'm discussing about CTR. In general, CTR stands for click-through rate, is the ratio of users who click on a specific link to the number of total users who view a page, email, or an advertisement. It is commonly used to measure the success of an online advertisement campaign for a particular website as well as the effectiveness of email campaigns. But today I am discussing CTR in Google Ads. Today I am discussing CTR in Google Ads. When you log in into the Google Ads dashboard, you can see the Ctr Matrix in a column. So when you go through the Google Ads, you can see different columns regarding status, ad types, impressions, interaction, the interaction rates. So you can see here different type of interactions and interaction rates. Sometimes some ads with the 5%, some ads with 14, some ads with 9, 6 and 4. That means if Google showing 100 times to a particular to the if Google showing 100 times the ads into the viewers, then around 5% people are clicking the ads. Then we can see it as 5% interaction rate of CTR. So today I'm discussing some tips how to improve the CTR. The CTR is very important in Google Ads. Why? The CTR is very important in Google Ads because it's affect the quality score of Google Ads. If the quality score is higher, then there is a chance to get the ads in a low rate. So one tip is like use the negative keywords to limit untarget impressions or match to the Google Ads. Use match phrases or broad match keywords. The second one is like make sure that our keyword is very relevant. Also, try out different type of Google Ads. So here you can see different type of Google Ads here. So from the analytics, we will get an idea which ads mostly work for our business. Then keep that ads for future use and post the ads if not in burst. Another is try to highlight your unique selling points. We have to ask some questions ourselves, like why should people click our ad and not your competitor? What do you offer that the others don't? So this question will give some answer for us. Then try to write the content to very relevant to the users and our services. At the same time, try to add Google Ad extensions to occupy the most space for ads. So fill out the extensions like site link extensions, call out extension, structured snippet extension, call extension, lead from extension, then location extension, then affiliate location extension, price extension, app extension, promotion extension, etc. So select the most suitable extensions for your Google Ads and try to occupy most space allocated by the Google for you in the ad section. So I wish this help you to improve your ad performance in Google search. Thank you for watching videos.